Hello everyone! Today I'm going to introduce how to install your memory and SSD storage to your mini PCs. First, there are 4 screws on the back panel. You just need to remove these screws, then take the panel out. Now you can see the fascinating parts inside the mini PCs. There are 2 memory slots and 1 M.2 2280 slot. Let's install the first memory slot, then the second one. When you insert memory, please align an SODIMM on the slot such that the notch on the SODIMM matches the break on the slot. If you have the demand to use M.2 2280 SSD, please install your M.2 2280 storage on the bracket and then screw it. Basically, there are 2 memories and 1 M.2 storage on the system. If you want to use 2 storages on the mini PCs, what can you do? Please secure 4 screws on the 2.5-inch hard disk with the back panel and connect the SATA cable. Wait! Please be noted, do not remove this white band. The last step is to connect the SATA cable on the motherboard like this. Then cover the back panel and secure the 4 screws. Now you can start using the powerful mini PCs. Thank you!